Hi, how you doing today? Dave with Renko Kings here. Renko Kings provides you with simple, clear entries. Today is Wednesday, December 23rd, about 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're looking at the YM, the micro YM, and you can see that I just jumped into this trade here. Let me just go ahead and mark my entry. And just back this up a little bit for you. This red vertical line is the start of the new session. Okay, so this is really the overnight session right here. You can tell that we see that we sold off. We opened up underneath the pivot, sold off, came down to around the first pivot, support 1, and then worked our way back up, and we've had this nice rally. We've gotten above R1, resistance 1, the next pivot above the pivot point, and we broke through, came down, retraced, and bounced off of the pivot, and I really like that setup, so I went ahead and I took that entry. So we just need to see if we can get some follow through. We're only trading 2 contracts on this. First contract is 1-to-1. It's up here at 26 ticks, and our second contract is at a 3-to-1, which is out here at 78 ticks. So let's see if we can get some follow through and try and get our first and second target.
Target filled.
Okay, nice, nice. I just expanded my target a little bit just because there was so much room between my first and this recent high right here. We know that this will be a little bit of a hurdle to get over, so I just expanded my target a little bit to take a little bit more profit on that first contract. So we're going to have
MNQ trade alert.
Going to have to see what it gives us, and you know, are we just going to keep pushing through, or are we going to retrace back down? You know, if we don't get through this point, it's going to be a little worrisome, right? Alright, the NQ rolled over, so I'm not going to give this much breathing room.
Stop filled.
Okay. Not what I hoped for, but still a decent little trade.
MNQ trade alert.
Nice, 64 ticks. Alright, let me just shut off my connection because this is going to start talking over me. Okay, so the micro YM is worth 50 cents a tick. If we were trading the YM, this would be $320. So, you know, I get emails from you guys sometimes saying, you know, why do you show a $32 trade and make it sound like that's good? Well, you know, if you want to be a professional trader and you want to make a living from day trading, it's a progression. Okay, you're going to first start out in a sim account, and after you have 3-4 months of a good track record, you know, look, I give you a complete system here where, you only have 3 setups to learn. We give you the signals to look for. We teach you what the setups are, okay? And, we give you a trade log. Now, whether or not you're going to follow that and fill out the trade log is up to you, but I highly suggest that you do because, you want 3 to 4 months of successful trading in your sim account before you move to actual live money account. Okay, so instead of jumping in and going right to the YM or the NQ or the RTY, I suggest that you go to a micro account because it's only 50 cents a tick versus $5 a tick. Okay, so what you're going to find is you're going to have some psychological effects take place once you go from sim to real money. All right, and you might have to go back to sim 2 or 3 times because all of a sudden now you're like, oh, this is real money. This is real money in my account. Oh, this trade is turning around on me. When no, you need to relax, and you've already learned how to trade this in sim. You want to trade the exact same way. So, that might be a period of 3 or 4 months where you might be going back and forth. Once again, you get your micro account trading for 3-4 months of good, consistent results, then you can go ahead and graduate to the E-minis, and instead of making $32 on a trade, you can make $320 on a trade. Okay, they don't have to be all home runs. Okay, and you don't want to overtrade. Okay, this trade didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it to, but it's a profitable trade and I'm done for the day. Okay, I'm not going to continue to trade, because if you continue to trade, what you're going to wind up doing is you're going to wind up giving it all back and ending the day with a negative, probably. Okay, so look, it's a week before Christmas, just a couple days before Christmas. We're going to shut it down here. We'll be back after the 1st. If you guys have any questions, I'll get back to you maybe after Christmas. Probably not until after the 1st. We're going to take a little break here, spend some time with the family. So I want you guys to, if you have questions, go ahead and email them to me, but it's going to be a little bit before I get back to you. Okay, so enjoy your family, enjoy this time, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave us a comment down below.